Campervan, trailer tent. Campervan, trailer tent. Campervan, trailer tent. This is after a few days.
Fluffy hair. Not fluffy hair.
Okay, so show me around your trailer tent, Melandra.
This is half the setup. We have an extra awning that comes to about here, which is perfect for a longer stay because it means that you've got like an outside but in, so you can kind of sit in here and you know you've got all that living space and stuff to keep it warm and covered and everything. So it is only 2/3 of a setup, probably not half a setup.
Goes right back, doesn't it?
Goes back. It's great for a family of 6 because it accommodates everybody.
Sorry, 6?
6. That's small apparently. I know a lot more people, a lot more.
So where do they all sleep in such a small tent, really?
Come on in to our... So this is our living area. We have a kitchen area, so you can see the awning. The actual trailer tent comes to here, right? But this awning has an extra part.
A kitchen, like a kitchen area.
Area. There is also that comes with it 2 like compartments that you can hang. So one's like a
like shelving and wardrobe.
Oh,
that's handy.
Oh,
really?
So you can actually have a toilet area in there. So this is what attaches onto the back of the trailer tent, which is great. So this is kind of a very minimal setup for us. We've obviously had a lot more in here when we've gone on a longer holiday. We're only here for 2 nights.
2 nights, yeah.
4 hours drive for 2 nights. Anyway, so we have electric hookup, have a little water station, kettle and toaster and bits and pieces. We've got a little heater if we need it. This here...
Does it heat up quite quickly with that? Just that little heater?
As long as you keep the door shut,
that's good.
It makes it quite
because it's that thick canvas, so it's...
Yeah, it's like an old, proper old tent. Under here we have a sink. We never use it as a sink because there's no need really when you've just got washing up bowls. So
does that work on a battery or a foot pump?
Battery.
Oh right, okay. That's what those little batteries were.
But I don't use it. I use it as extra work surface.
Yeah, okay.
And then this here is our actual hob. So we've got a 2-ring hob there, which is good space. And obviously we can just put that down. That obviously gives it a little bit of shielding. We've got a grill. I mean, we just store our plates.
Oh, you've got a grill? I didn't know you had a grill.
Under there's a grill. I've never used it. It's on this side actually. I've never used it because we've not really needed to, but because we just store our stuff there, but we have got a grill. So that's the kitchen. You have a look in here. And we have these. Right, so as you see in, obviously we've got a loo. That we normally don't need this because of
this is a new experience for you, isn't it, Mel, a loo?
Wherever we go, there's always toilets because of lockdown and COVID.
Yeah.
There were no toilets available, so we've had our portaloo.
We'll put a link in the description.
Actually, been genius because it does have a flush and everything. There we go.
There you go.
So here we have a double bed on this side.
You know, you could fit 3 if you had to, couldn't you?
To be fair, you could. As 3 littlies.
Yeah.
3 kids.
That's big for 2 though. That's lovely.
Well,
that's a proper.
But it's not just that bit that's the bed. So what you do is you end up zipping this, and so the whole bed accommodates this extra bit.
So it holds it in.
So you're nice and cosy, and that keeps the heat in.
Yeah, that's
it
great.
Zips all the way around.
That's great.
And you can see through here.
Oh, so you've got a bit of ventilation. Yeah.
So you're not completely
brilliant.
enclosed, but
you've got that
massive.
side and that side.
And that side. So as it stands at the minute, I'm sleeping with one of my daughters. My other daughter and son are sleeping there, and then the extra 2 beds are down here. Now you can keep these completely as storage for some people, which is what they do, because if you don't have 6 people, so that zips around. But when you open it up, you've got a little sleeping pod and a little torch in there, as you can see. A little cosy bed.
Let me have a look. So could you fit 2 in there, do you think, or probably no? It's probably 1, is it?
Probably not. Only because you can't fit a double airbed in there.
Right, okay.
So we've not really tried. And so actually people, whoever's in there, so Simon or Saul, have just put all their clothes down one side and slept on the other.
And you have stuff underneath this.
Yes. So underneath there you can't quite see, but there's matting.
Just to give it extra warmth.
And then on the other side, which we normally have two, but we have like one of those silver-backed kind of insulation things, you know, where that you can put on your windscreen to stop it from freezing.
Yeah.
We have one of those.
Brilliant.
Under there. So this is the same here.
How easy is it to tow?
Yeah.
Because I know you're the driver, aren't you?
Do you know what? I've never towed anything in my life, and it's been amazing.
Towed a caravan, I didn't like that.
And the reason why this is amazing because it's not wider than your car.
Right,
so
okay.
when we were driving up the road, which isn't particularly wide, there was one point where there was a massive caravan being pulled, which was a lot wider than obviously the trailer tent. So he had to do quite a wide turning circle. There's a folding camper which is one next step up from this, which means when you open it, the kitchen's built in. But that equally is wider than your car. It's not as tall. It's not taller than your car, but it's wider, and I still wouldn't want that.
No.
And you don't need it.
So basically, I have got a campervan which has, I don't know if you can see there, if you go and look at my full van tour you'll be able to see, but basically this seat turns into a bed.
Turns into a what, sorry?
Into a double bed.
Into a what?
A double bed.
Here. Here's the way you went into a bed. I love it.
This pop top pulls down and turns into a double bed. Okay, but it can also push up
For us tallies.
for us tallies to cook. So I'm sorry, everything's a mess, but you know it's real life, guys. I've got a twin hob. I don't have a grill. I've got a sink here.
Sorry, Ruth, did you say you don't have a grill?
I don't have a grill.
Are we comparing the difference
We are
between
comparing the
a
difference.
trailer tent and a camper van?
Absolutely, I don't have a grill. Okay, I have water here, gas, lots of storage, and a fridge.
But look at these. Look at these lovely little magnetic holders. I love these. What's in that one?
Yet, you know.
Paprika.
We'll just keep. I think the benefits of having a camper are if we go out for the I can use it as a normal car. It takes less fuel than my Vauxhall Zafira, even when it's full of stuff. And I have a lot of stuff in my camper. I will put a link in the description of the film with all the stuff in my camper. But so even with that, it takes less fuel than my Vauxhall Zafira used to. I can fit 6 people in, which I need. I can go for a day out to, I don't know, Morecambe for the day. I can whack a few things in the fridge and we can extend the day so we can let the traffic go. When the kids are hungry, we get the kettle on, put some food on, we have tea on the promenade, skate down the promenade, job done. It's brilliant. It's brilliant for extending days. It's brilliant for weekends away. If I manage to get a babysitter overnight, me and my husband, it's perfect for 2 people. It's cosy, it's got everything you need, it's got a heater. I just love it. I feel free. I feel like every time I leave the drive just to take the kids to school or something, I feel free. I feel like whatever I need, I've got. If they need sun cream, it's in the van. If I need a cup of tea, it's in the van. If I need a picnic blanket, it's in the van. So it just feels as if I don't need to think all the time about everything I need because it's already there. It's to hand. It's just easy. If we go on a walk in the middle of winter and they come back on the cold, we can whack the pop top up, we can put the diesel heater on, we can get all their and get warm and cosy and have a cup of tea or some soup, and it just makes that kind of thing better. So I think, and also this holiday we're doing, which I will be doing some videos, we're travelling 4 days at one place, another 4 days at another. We're travelling round, so we're using it like a proper camper should be used. To be honest, we have got 3 children and we are in 2 vans, so we're in Dave's work van as well. So we're spreading out. I think to have 4 people in this, you would probably need smaller, younger children. I've got lanky teenagers. I'm tall. They're just as tall as me. So that's kind of...
That's how tall she is, look.
Squash, yeah.
That's how tall she is.
But so we are on campsites just to make life easy for showers and stuff. But honestly, if there was just two of you, you could just go anywhere and travel and pull up and it would be absolutely fine. It's harder with a family, but then camping is anyway. So this is glamping, I think. It's like, it still feels like camping, but it's luxury camping. So I think that's the benefits are versatile. The downsides are you are limited on space compared to a trailer tent.
There's not many downsides.
You're limited on space, that's the thing really, aren't you? You can't have everything, so you've got to weigh up. And it's alright saying get an awning, but if you get an awning, then that's fine, but you then have to put that up. And that's like having a tent. And that's more work, so yeah. I love it, Nick. Can you tell?
Passionate.